Tired of cleaning the house? Time to switch to a smarter way. Hello everyone. Honestly, who here feels like cleaning the house is a never-ending chore? After a quick sweep, the fine dust appears again. Not to mention, if you have pets at home, that fine fur feels like a must-have decoration on the carpet and sofa. Well, recently, my life has changed completely since I decided to start using a vacuum cleaner regularly. Why is this tool my savior? Initially, I thought a regular broom would suffice. But after using a vacuum cleaner for the past few months, there are several things that make me never want to go back to the old method. Reaching the unseen, it turns out that microdust and mites can't be removed simply by sweeping. Vacuum cleaners have strong suction power to pull dirt even from the deepest crevices of floor and carpet fibers. Save time and energy. What used to take 30 minutes to get around the house is now done in just 10. No more hunching over or aching from repeated sweeping movements. Much cleaner air, because the dust is sucked directly into the dustpan, instead of flying everywhere like with a broom. The air inside feels fresher and is more suitable for those with allergies or asthma. My personal rating. Personally, I give this tool a September 5, 10. Its features are now increasingly sophisticated, some are cordless, lightweight, and quiet. Using a vacuum cleaner no longer feels like voluntary work, but more like a practical, healthy lifestyle. For me, this isn't just about buying an electronic device, but an investment in lung health and better quality rest time. Ready to change the way you clean your house? If you want to experience for yourself how easy it is to clean your house without leaving any dust behind, I highly recommend this product. The quality is top-notch, and the price is well worth the benefits. Come on, don't wait until dust accumulates. Click the purchase link in the description below to get today's special promotional price.